In the heart of Jharkhand, amidst the simplicity of life, a powerful change was about to happen. Amidst outdated educational infrastructures, children grappled with limited resources. It was time to unlock a world of possibilities for these young minds. With strong dedication, MAPL led a project to bring new, modern education to the village. MAPL embarked on an ambitious endeavor, setting up 1,000 vibrant classrooms that revolutionized the essence of teaching and learning.
Step into a world where learning comes alive. Our smart classes aren't just classrooms. They are gateways to a future where education is dynamic, engaging, and tailored to every student. Our smart classes have revolutionized learning, benefiting both students and educators.
पीएल को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने हमें इस उन्नत शिक्षा तकनीक के साथ यह साहसपूर्ण कदम उठाने का अवसर दिया। धन्यवाद।
जब मैं स्मार्ट क्लास आता हूँ यहाँ पर मुझे सिर्फ पढ़ने में नहीं बल्कि इसको समझने।
Our technology-integrated educational sessions made a significant impact on the village schools in Jharkhand.
बहुत जल्दी कैच कर लेते हैं, मतलब समझ लेते हैं।
First, academic performance. Test scores have shown a remarkable improvement. Second, engagement levels. Attendance rates have surged by 30%, indicating heightened student interest and class engagement. Third, access to quality education. 95% of students now have access to updated and comprehensive educational resources. Fourth, teacher empowerment. Teachers utilizing these tools report a 40% increase in efficiency, allowing for more personalized attention to each student. Fifth, technological literacy. Over 80% of students exhibit improved tech proficiency. In this remote corner, the power of technology became a beacon of hope, illuminating a path to all possibilities of growth for students and teachers. We're committed to continuing this journey of empowerment through education. A small step created waves of change, scripting a tale of empowerment and transformation. Sometimes, a small step can create ripples of change that resonate for generations.